Robo Ranch Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yay!
Your destination is Robo Ranch Island, home of the Mechana Cowboy and his rootin' tootin' Mechana Ranch.
A cowboy? Yay-ho!
The trouble is, the cowboy's Mechana bull has run away, and the cowboy can't find him.
Run away? Not good.
Your mission is to find the missing bull and return him to the Robo Ranch. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Robo Ranch Island.
Look, a real live cowboy. Howdy, partner. Which way to the Robo Ranch? Hey, I'm talking to you, partner. Now listen up here. It's just the Mechana cactus. A perfect fit. Now, which way to the Robo Ranch? Thank you kindly, Mr. Cactus. Come on, partners.
There's the Robo Ranch.
Howdy, partner. I heard that your Mechana bull is giving you more trouble than a rattlesnake in a water hole. That's cowboy talk.
He says it was the strangest thing. The bull went crazy and ran right through the fence for no reason.
There must be a reason. What was going on at the time?
He says it was feeding time. He let out a big whistle to call the bull to eat, and off he charged, right through the fence.
Well, maybe the critter wasn't happy with his victuals. That's what cowboys call food. He might have gone looking for some other yummy victuals.
Very professional cowboy talking, Sasquatch.
Animal Mechanicals, we need to find that critter. I mean bull, and fast.
Look at the fence. He sure is a strong fellow, isn't he?
Yes, but how do we find him? He could be anywhere by now.
In the Old West, cowboys used to find animals by listening carefully for the sounds they made.
Great idea. Let's try to listen for sounds the bull might make.
All I hear is Sasquatch whistling.
Oopsie. Sorry, partner.
Wait, I hear something. Listen.
It sounds like munching sounds.
And snorting sounds, just like a bull would make. What direction are the sounds coming from, Mouse?
From that way.
The Mechana bull!
Time for a real Wild West roundup.
Yee-haw!
Hey, bull. Where you going, you crazy critter?
Sasquatch, be careful! Mechana bulls are easily startled.
Huh? Guess what, partner? Mechana bulls are easily startled.
Thanks, partner.
We need to find a way to sneak up on the bull so we don't startle him again. Then we can carefully grab his harness and lead him back to the ranch.
But the bull is watching us very closely. We'll never get close to him.
He'll see us coming.
Not if we come from above. I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Unicorn!
Nice pull.
Good job, Sasquatch.
All in a day's work, partner. Whoa! Nice pull. Stop, nice bully bull. Please. Whoa.
Interesting. When Sasquatch whistled, the bull went berserk.
And he ran away when Sasquatch whistled before, too.
And remember what the cowboy said? He whistled when it was feeding time. That's when the bull ran through the fence.
That's it. When the bull hears a whistle, he runs away. That bull must really dislike whistling.
Well, that's one problem solved. But now we've got to round up that bull.
Animal mechanicals on the move.
Whoa. Woo!
The bull is running wild. There's no way we can stop him.
I have heard that bulls sometimes charge towards cloth that is red, like a red flag or a red cape.
How about a red bandana?
Yes, that might work. But whoever holds the bandana would have to be very fast to stay ahead of the bull.
I can be fast. Mouse. McKenna fast.
Mouse, that bull is very strong and powerful. Are you sure you want to do this?
Animal mechanical can do anything.
Fast like a rocket.
Hey, you, Mr. Bull. Catch me if you can.
Whoa!
It's working! The bull is chasing after her!
Come on, team. Let's get back to the ranch, too.
Yep, yep. Come on, Bull. Yeehaw!
Whoa!
Good going, Mouse.
Woo-wee! That was one wild ride. Thanks, partner.
He says, thanks, y'all, for rounding up my bull. That's cowboy talk.
All we need to do now is fix this gate so the bull won't escape again.
No problem. Looks like the gate will snap into place. We just need to lift it.
Hold on! The mighty cowboy Sasquatch will help too.
It's too heavy. We're not strong enough.
This is a job for Rex. McKenna Strong!
I reckon there's nothing better than watching Rex lift heavy stuff.
Just a bit further, Rex.
One McKenna bull safe and sound inside his corral. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
What a rootin' tootin' cowboy adventure. Makes me feel like whistling another cowboy tune.
Sasquatch, don't! Whistle.
Oopsie, partners.
Looks like we have to chase down that critter again, partners. McKenna, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!
McKenna Tulip Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Great!
Hey!
Your destination is McKenna Tulip Island.
Wow! Those tulips look beautiful.
Yes, and they are full of nectar that needs to be put in the McKenna honey machine and turned into honey.
Honey?
Yummy!
This is gonna be one tasty mission.
It won't be tasty if the lazy Mechanabees don't do their job. Instead of collecting the tulip nectar, all they want to do is play. And that means no honey.
No honey? But I love honey.
Your mission is to get those lazy Mechanabees to start making honey again. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Tulip Island.
These flowers smell sweet.
That's because they are full of nectar, which means the Mechanabees have not done their job. Where are those Mechanabees?
Hey, cut it out, Mechanabees! You're making me dizzy! Oh, sorry. The Mechanabees made me dizzy.
I noticed that.
Hey, you bees aren't behaving. You're supposed to be working.
It's just like Island Owl said. All the Mechanabees want to do is play games.
So, you want to play games, do you?
Then how about a game of collect the nectar?
A game! That's it! Sasquatch, you're brilliant!
I am? Oh, yes, I am. Why am I brilliant again?
Maybe we can get the Mechanabees to do their work by making it a game. Watch this! Unicorn! Mechana fly! Okay, Mechanabees. Ready for a fun new game? It's called Follow the Leader. Here's how the game works. I'm the leader, and you have to do everything I do, okay? Great! Remember, follow the leader. First, you grab a honey bucket. Follow the leader. And now, follow the leader to the tulips.
It's working. The Mechanabees are playing and working.
Fill your bucket with tulip nectar. Come on, Mechanabees. Isn't this fun? Follow the leader. Now to the honey machine. Follow the leader, Mechanabees.
Nice work, Unicorn. We'll have the machine full in no time.
Come on, Mechanabees. We're still playing. Follow the leader. Good job, Mechanabees. Wasn't that a fun game?
Oh, that did look like fun. Come on, Komodo, let's play. I'll be the leader. Okay, follow the leader.
Sasquatch, watch where you're going.
Is the honey ready now? Huh? Is it?
Not quite. The tulip nectar still has to pass through this Mechana honey machine. First, we turn it on. Uh-oh. It appears the machine is not working.
Oh no! That means no honey! What's wrong with it?
Several pieces of the machine have fallen off. And if they aren't put back on, the honey machine won't work.
But making the machine work is the Mechanabees' job. They should fix it.
But they don't do anything if it isn't a game.
Then maybe we just have to think up a new game using missing pieces.
Great! Another game! But what kind of game uses missing pieces?
I know. Puzzles. Puzzles have missing pieces.
Ooh, I love puzzles. Can I play? Can I put the puzzle together? Let's see. Where does this funny piece fit?
Sasquatch, this is a game for the Mechanabees. Remember?
What? Oh, right.
Hey, Mechanabees, it's puzzle time. All you have to do is pick up a piece, snap it in place, and then...
It fell off.
Look, I think the pieces are too loose. We need some kind of a tool to screw them on nice and tight.
Did you say a tool? Leave that to me! Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! Hi-ya! Nope. Ooh, how embarrassing. Here it is. One mighty Mechana screwdriver to the rescue.
Tool time is cool time!
Okay, Mechanabees. Now it's your turn to put the puzzle together.
Come on, Mechanabees. You can figure it out.
Yay!
The Mechanabees did it! Komodo made it fun!
Yippee! Now it's honey time! It's working! Honey, honey, honey!
Rex sure does like honey.
This honey is yummy!
Oh no! The honey keeps dripping from the machine!
And the machine won't turn off.
Yikes! Gotta save the honey!
Look! The Mechanabees have lots of empty jars! That must be where the honey goes!
Hey, Mechanabees. Want to play another game? Okay, let's play Simon Says.
Can I play? Can I play?
Sure, everyone can play. Now, when you hear me say Simon Says, you have to do what Simon says. Ready? Okay. Simon says, jump up and down. Simon says, clap your hands. Now stomp your feet.
Oh, Sasquatch! She didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Okay, everyone. Simon says pick up those honey jars and fill them with honey. Now, Simon says, take the honey jars back to the shelves.
Woohoo!
Sasquatch! Slow down! You'll spill the honey!
Mechanabees, quick! Simon says catch the falling jars. Great playing, Mechanabees. You did it! You finished the honey harvest.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Woohoo!
Can we taste some more of this yummy honey now? Please, please, please!
We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Racer Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yes!
Your destination is Mechana Racer Island.
That's where the Mechana Racers live!
That's right. Mechana Racer Island is a big Mechana race course, and the Mechana Racers are about to have their best race ever.
Goody!
The Mechana Racers zoom through this fantastic race course to win the Rocket Cup trophy.
Wow!
But there's a problem. One of the Mechana racers has had a breakdown and can't race unless he's fixed.
Not good.
Your mission is to fix the Mechana racer so he can compete in the big race. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Racer Island.
Look! Mechana racers!
Mechana racers are amazing flyers.
You're an amazing flyer, too.
Not as amazing as them.
Mechana racers are quite impressive. But I wonder what happened to the missing racer.
What was that noise?
It came from over there.
It's a blue Mechana racer.
Hello. Are you the one having trouble?
If I am correct, and I always am, this racer is in need of several new parts. He has a cracked wing, a dented nose cone, and a hole in his fuel tank.
Don't worry. We'll find some new parts for you. Somewhere.
Maybe there's something we can use in those lockers over there.
Animal Mechanicals, checking it out.
Yes!
New parts! You were right, Mouse.
Fascinating.
Look! I'm a Mechana racer, too!
Sasquatch, no. Holding a pair of wings will not help you fly.
Komodo, did you know that holding a pair of wings will not help you fly?
Fascinating.
Okay, team, time to fit this racer with new parts. This purple wing doesn't fit.
That's funny. It's exactly like the other wing. Same shape, same size.
But if the purple wing is the same in every way, it should fit perfectly.
The two wings aren't exactly the same. They're different colors.
True. The wing that fits is blue, and the wing that doesn't fit is purple. Of course! Mouse, you are a genius! The blue racer needs blue parts.
Then it's a plan. Let's find the blue parts.
We've got all the blue parts. Let's see if they fit.
The blue nose cone fits.
The blue fuel tank fits too. Now, all we need is that other blue wing. It's got to be around here somewhere.
There! I see it!
It's way out of reach.
That's a tight spot. My arms can't reach that far.
That's a big problem.
I wonder who could reach all the way in there.
Maybe someone with very stretchy arms?
Wait a minute. I just had an idea. I could stretch and reach it.
Why didn't I think of that?
Stand aside and behold the mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Stretchy like a fantastic elastic.
I can do this just a bit further. Ugh.
Yay, Sasquatch!
Yes, it fits. There you go, pal. You're all fixed.
Now you're ready for the big race.
Something's wrong with his engine.
Let's have a look under the hood.
Look how dirty it is in there. No wonder his engine conked out.
Keeping clean is very important for staying healthy. You have to brush your engine every night, okay?
Oh no! The race is about to start and the blue Mechana Racer still doesn't work.
Don't give up, little fella. We won't. We just need a bristly brush to clean out your dirty engine.
I might have just the thing. Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. No. How did those get in there? Aha! One scrubby Mechana engine brush to the rescue!
Tool time is cool time.
And voila! Clean and healthy!
Look at him go!
Come on, everyone. Let's watch the race.
Woohoo!
I'm so excited. The race is about to start.
Not quite yet. It looks like the racers are discussing something.
They want you to join in the big race, Unicorn.
Really? You want me to race with you? I can't believe it! I'm going to fly with real Mechana racers! Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Woohoo! Look at Unicorn go!
On your mark, get set, go!
There's Unicorn!
Wow! I feel amazing!
Go, Unicorn!
Let's all rocket race too.
Sasquatch, no! Remember you can't fly?
Hey, you know what? I can't fly.
Right.
Mechana, can we watch the race instead?
We animal mechanical can!
Shimmer Wish Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today. Your destination is Shimmer Wish Island.
That's where the Shimmer Bots live.
And the Shimmer Queen, who flies into the sky every night and lights up her wings for everyone to see.
Everyone makes wishes on the Shimmer Queen star.
Yeah, every night I wish to be the biggest, handsomest hero there is. And every morning, my wish comes true.
But there's a problem. The Shimmer Queen is trapped in a nasty sucker cup bush. Unless you can rescue her, she won't be able to shine in the sky, so there'll be no wish-making tonight or ever again.
No wishes? Not good.
Your mission is to free the Shimmer Queen. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Shimmer Wish Island.
Hey, Shoo! What are these pesky things?
Those are the Shimmer Bots that help the Shimmer Queen. I believe they like you.
I'm not so sure I like them back.
I see lots of sucker bushes, but which one is the Shimmer Queen stuck in?
Look! The Shimmer Bots know where she is. In there.
Hang on, Shimmer Queen! The mighty Sasquatch to the rescue!
Sasquatch, wait! Stop! I wouldn't go in there if I were you. Sucker bush sucker cups are very sticky.
Uh-oh. Yikes! I can't move forwards or backwards. Now what do? I give up.
Animal mechanicals never give up. You can do it, Sasquatch.
Wow!
Phew. You know what? I wouldn't go in there if I were you. Sucker bush sucker cups are very sticky.
I've decided I don't like sucker cup bushes much.
I'm with you, pal. Those bushes are pretty tricky to get past.
I could fly over them, but we all need to get past the bushes to rescue the queen.
Maybe we could clear some sort of path to the queen.
It will take a mighty plow to clear a path through those sticky sucker bushes.
A plow? Where would we find a plow around here?
Did you say plow? This is a job for Rex! McKenna Strong! All right, it's path clearing time. Stand back.
Woohoo! I love watching Rex push heavy stuff around.
He's strong like a rugged rhinoceros.
There, path cleared.
Don't worry, Your Majesty. We'll have you free in no time.
The mighty Sasquatch, making it happen. Whoa! These sucker cups are even bigger and stickier than the little ones.
It's going to get dark soon. We have to hurry.
Maybe we could use some sort of tool to help pry the queen loose.
A tool? In the middle of these bushes?
Tools are my specialty. Hi! Komodo! Macana Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. Wrong again. Happy New Year! Ah, there we we go. One spectacular spatula to the rescue. Hey, ah, wah, hey, ah, ooh, 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 ah.
Handy dandy tool time!
I must be very precise so I don't hurt your delicate wings.
It's working! Yay, Komodo!
One wing free, Your Majesticness. Just one more to go.
Huh?
Who turned down the lights? Now I can't see clearly.
How are we going to unstick the Shimmer Queen if Komodo can't see to do his work?
And if I don't get her free, there won't be a Shimmer Queen star.
If I can't make my favorite wish, I might not be the biggest, handsomest hero anymore. Ah, the shimmer bot keeps shining light in my eyes.
Light? Look, everyone! The shimmer bots are glowing!
They're making light for us. Komodo, is it bright enough for you to see?
Almost. I just need a little more light to see perfectly.
Impossible. That's all the light we have.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. Unicorn! McKenna fly! Horn can shine too.
It's brighter! Unicorn is the coolest!
Aha! I can see perfectly. Okay, Your Majesty. Let's do this. Almost done. There!
You did it! She's free!
Look! The Shimmerbots are happy to have their queen back.
Wow, she's so shimmery.
Hooray! The Shimmer Queen star is shining again!
It's beautiful.
And so bright! Wow!
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
I want to make my wish.
Me first. I wish I could be the biggest and handsomest hero there is.
Hey, that's my wish.
Just kidding. I'm going to wish for a new gizmo attachment. You can have the big and handsome wish.
Mechanic, can we all make wishes on the Shimmer Queen star?
We Animal Mechanical can!
McKenna Ski Ball Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yeah!
Your destination is McKenna Ski Ball Island.
McKenna Ski Ball? What's that?
McKenna Ski Ball is a fun game where McKenna balls ski down a big hill, then jump through the air and land in holes to get points.
Ski? Oh, I want to try that. Let's go.
Not so fast. The ski jump is broken, and the McKenna ski balls can't reach their game.
Not good.
Your mission is to fix the ski jump so the ski balls can play their game again. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
McKenna Skee Ball Island.
Those must be the McKenna ski balls.
I can't wait to start skiing. Hey, ski balls! Show me how to ski.
Sasquatch, wait! Ski balls move very fast.
You know what? Ski balls move very fast.
I noticed that.
I don't see the skee ball game.
Look! The ski balls are riding on a lift that carries them to the top of the hill.
I predict that we will be able to see the game from up there.
Then it's up the hill we go, team.
Whee! This is fun!
So to ski, we have to go all the way to the top of the hill? It looks pretty big to me.
Sasquatch, you have to go to the top if you want to ski back down. See?
Now that I think about it, skiing might not be such fun after all. I'll just wait here and... Ooh. Uh-oh.
Poor Sasquatch, always getting taken by... Oh, surprise! Yikes!
Look! There's the skee ball game.
And there's the broken ski jump.
We need to fix that jump so the ski balls can reach their game and score points.
They've got skis for us.
Come on, everyone. Time to ski down the hill.
This is your big chance to ski, Sasquatch.
That's okay. I think I'll just watch.
A new way to be super fast!
This is great!
All right.
To fix the jump, we need to put this piece back. But how?
Leave that to me. I'll just... It's impossible to lift.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. This is a job for Rex. McKenna Strong.
Rex rocks!
Yay!
The ski jump is back together!
But the two pieces are still a little wobbly.
We need to make the pieces super sturdy.
I believe that's where I come in. Komodo! McKenna Gizmo! Whoa! Hi-ya! Nope. Oh, pretty bubbles. Aha! Some super sticky glue to the rescue! A quick fix with my super sticky glue will keep this ski jump together.
Wow! Woo! Super sticky glue is amazing!
One McKenna ski jump ready for action.
Why didn't you ski down with us, Sasquatch?
Oh, I needed to, stay behind and take care of my snow buddies.
Snow buddies?
They're napping.
Look! That McKenna ski ball is going to try the ski jump.
The ski ball just scored 3 points.
That's strange. The ski ball landed in the number 3 hole, but the number 1 lit up.
There goes another one.
That ski ball landed in hole number 1.
but the number 3 lit up. Something must be wrong with the numbers on that game.
Look! The numbers are loose!
Interesting. It appears that the numbers are in the wrong places.
You're right. The numbers should be 1, 2, and 3, not 3, 2, and 1.
Then we need to put the numbers back where they belong.
Ha! Who could reach way up there?
Someone could, if they were super stretchy.
Yeah, if only there was someone like that around. Wait a minute. I'm super stretchy. But even I can't stretch all the way to the game from up here.
No, but you can ski down and reach the numbers from over there.
Ski down this super steep hill and go over the big curvy jump? No. I can't do that.
Sure you can, pal. You're an animal mechanical. You can do anything.
Yeah!
Okay, give me those skis.
Yes, Sasquatch! Go!
I can do this. Whoa! I did it! I skied! It was great! I love skiing! Now, to fix those numbers, Sasquatch! Makana stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Number 1, you belong here. And number 3, this is your spot. Okay, try it now.
It's fixed. The number next to the hole is lighting up.
The ski balls are playing their game. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Woohoo!
Where's Sasquatch?
Over here. Mechanic, can we stay and ski all day?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Baboon Balloon Island.
Animal Mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Hey!
Your destination is Baboon Balloon Island.
What's that?
That's the baboon balloon, and it's in trouble. It's running out of air and can't float. It needs to find an air pear to eat.
An air pear?
That's right. The air in the air pear is what blows the baboon up so it can float. Your mission is to find an air pear for the baboon balloon to eat. But be careful, air pears are very tricky to pick.
That sounds like a challenge, and Animal Mechanicals love a challenge.
McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Baboon Balloon Island.
And there's the baboon balloon.
Wow! I've always wanted to have an air balloon ride. Maybe the baboon balloon will give me one.
It doesn't look like that baboon balloon will be giving anyone a ride. It's almost out of air, poor thing.
Don't you worry. We'll get you filled back up with air in no time. We just need to find an air pair. Now, where could one be?
What's growing on that tree?
Air pairs!
But they're on the other side of this big wall.
Then we've got to find a way to get past this wall, right, team?
Yeah!
Affirmative.
You bet!
This is a very tall wall.
With no way around it.
And no way through it.
There isn't a gate or a door anywhere.
I'll make a door! The mighty Sasquatch will pound one out!
Careful, Sasquatch. That wall is stronger than it looks.
It's pounding time! Pound! You know what? That wall is stronger than it looked.
And so am I. Rex! McKenna strong!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
I love watching Rex break through things!
Yay! Come on, Baboon Balloon. Let's get you an air pear to eat. Wow! Those air pears are pretty.
And there's lots of them.
There sure are. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count 5 of them, and I think I'm allergic to air pears.
I think so, too. Please remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze.
Sorry, Komodo.
Animal mechanicals, let's pick the air pair for the baboon balloon and get it back where it belongs, in the air.
All you need is one air pear to fill you up with air?
Just one? Then this will be... Sorry, I forgot to cover my mouth again.
I noticed.
The mighty Sasquatch will shake the tree. And the air pears will fall.
Wait! The island owl warned us that air pears are very tricky to pick. Maybe you shouldn't shake the tree.
Oops. Maybe I shouldn't shake the tree.
Wow! Air pears are so light and full of air, they float.
There are only 3 left. Now what?
We have to be very careful indeed.
We'll have to reach up and pick an air pair carefully.
Agreed.
Who can reach that high?
I don't know.
Ahem.
Huh? Wait a minute. I just had an idea. I can stretch up there. Behold, the mighty Sasquatch! McKenna Stretchy!
Sasquatch is super stretchy.
Stretchy like a big elastic band.
That's right! That's me! Super Stretchy!
But not super careful. Now there are only 2 air pairs left.
Oops.
Don't worry, Sasquatch. When things get tough, we team up. We'll all be super quiet down here, so you can concentrate while you carefully pick another air pair.
Sounds good, Rex.
Okay, everyone, let's all help Sasquatch by being quiet.
Air pears are very floaty. So I'll have to hang on to it very tightly so it doesn't float away.
But not too tight, Sasquatch.
Oops, again.
Now there's only one air pair left.
It's okay. I know what to do now. I just won't hold it so tightly.
Be sure you pick that last air pair carefully.
Carefully, very carefully. I got it!
He's done it!
That was the most careful air pair picking ever.
Yeah! Phew. For a minute there, I thought I was going to. No, false alarm. Here you go, Baboon Balloon. One nice, fresh air pair. Achoo! Hey, I remembered to cover my mouth.
But you let go of the air pair!
That's the last one.
And the wind is carrying it away.
If wind can blow it away, then wind can also blow it back here. This is a job for Unicorn! McKenna fly!
She's making wind. Unicorn is the coolest.
Yoo-hoo! Baboon Balloon! Here comes your dinner!
Sounds like that air pair is starting to work.
Looks like it too.
Wow! It's beautiful.
Oh my goodness!
Impressive.
I think it's inviting you for a balloon ride, Mouse.
Thank you, Baboon Balloon. Whee! I can see forever from up here.
That does look like fun. Hey, Mouse, McKenna, can we all go for a ride with the baboon?